In esports, tilt kills teams faster than bad aim. When the economy crashes and morale hits zero, raw numbers aren't enough. You don't just need an analyst, you need a mentor. We took the official Grid Data API and went deeper. Using JetBrains Juni to reverse engineer the live data streams, we built an engine that tracks every kill, every death, and every dollar in real time. But we don't just show data, we give it a voice.
Coach Marcus Titan Vance here. I'm keeping an eye on things. Stay focused.
This is macro strategy. The live economy graph tracks momentum to predict enemy buy rounds. And this is the project's heartbeat. Our algorithm monitors death streaks and K/D drops, detecting players on the verge of a mental breakdown. We identify tilt before it becomes a problem.
Coach Marcus Titan Vance here. Pay attention. That was a masterpiece. An ace they'll never forget. Stop dying. That's 6 deaths in a row. Change your position. Ice in your veins. What a massive clutch.
Meet Titan, your AI coach powered by Google Gemini.
A 2-6 scoreline means his confidence is brittle. Suffocate his space. A player in a slump will choke if you don't let them breathe.
Ruthless, honest, effective. Works across disciplines, from Valorant to League of Legends. Built on a modular Python architecture, instant voice synthesis via Edge TTS, analytics that won't slow down your game. Grid Data, Gemini Brains, Cloud9 Soul. This is C9 Pulse. Sky's the limit.